Most of the times, we do not know where to tap and where to find opportunities. And that is why I always share most of the pathways with you guys, because I want you to have as much portfolio as you can and have as many options as you can when you're looking for opportunities to move abroad. If you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is Kendi. I share information matters relocation abroad, either to work, for study, or for conferences. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Guys, always remember, all the information I share with you on each and every video is always linked on my description box, so always be sure to look for all the information on the description box. I just launched my new book, or my new ebook, that talks about basic techniques on how you can secure jobs abroad. It highlights quite a lot in terms of everything that you need and the basic techniques that you require. That is from your CV writing and writing an ATS friendly CV, and also how you need to optimize your LinkedIn and all the top 12 global websites that you can apply for jobs from anywhere around the world, and you're going to get visa sponsorship jobs. Also, the link to buy this ebook, it is only $4, is on the description box. It's a 5-page book, and I'm sharing with you gems on what you need to do in terms of the basics of you knowing where to start to apply for jobs and secure opportunities abroad. I am writing a very good ebook also on amazing opportunities that you find in the US, and I'm hoping in the next 2 or 3 weeks I'll be able to share that gem also with you guys. I want to share with you guys a very amazing opportunity that will enable you to secure jobs abroad, and this is also one of the best rated websites that you'll find jobs that are giving visa sponsorships, and these are very good and well vetted, and there are a lot of testimonials on these kind of websites. Remember, I always link all these websites on the description box. If you're looking for opportunities from anywhere around the world, or from Canada, from Australia, from USA, all these opportunities are in this website, and all you need to do is just fill in the country that you're looking for the opportunities, and after filling in, say the kind of department or the kind of industry you're looking for jobs in. If you're looking for jobs in Malta, in the hospitality industry, in the tourism industry, then you'll find jobs there. If you're looking for opportunities in finance in the UK, if you're looking for care jobs in the US, in Canada, then you're going to find these amazing opportunity. Allow me to share my screen with you. Allow me to share my screen with you. I'll not be talking so much about what is on this website, because everything is self-explanatory. Go on the website at your own free time, find jobs that are suitable for you. Remember to filter jobs that are giving visa sponsorships, and when you find something ideal for you, apply. Guys, remember always to have a CV that is either, if you're applying for opportunities in Europe, remember to have an European format CV. If in Canada, a Canada format CV. If in US, a USA formatted CV. And also in that book that I have launched, I'm giving you all the websites that you can edit these kind of CVs for free. So guys, please do remember to have a good CV, optimize your LinkedIn, and also have a good cover letter in case of if these jobs are asking for cover letter. Until next time, please watch the video till the end. Remember to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave me a comment and a question if you have any, and enjoy the rest of the video. you.